Welcome back, graduates. Today I want to show you a new snippet. It's called the scrolling text, and it's a section that you can use on your Dawn theme, Dawn 11, and even the older versions of Dawn. Now, one really cool thing about this snippet is it works on all themes. So we've tested on our theme, we've tested on other themes. If you have, Impulse, Turbo, Shapes, and Impact, it does work on that because we've written it in a way where it just needs one file and it just isolates everything for you, and we've done the heavy lifting for you. So why we want to offer this feature is because it basically, in a nutshell, can scroll the benefits, the features. This would be great on a product page. We have given you in this snippet options for the font weight of it, the uppercase, lowercase. We have given you heading and also subheading and a button link. Again, this does inherit the theme styling as well. Now, we also give you background color options. If you don't like the black or any other color, we do give you image background options as well. Then also we have left or right alignment for this. So we're really excited for this. We have worked really hard to put it into one file. This is a snippet, but it is going to be a section in your theme. Without further ado, let's get into it. We have already pre-readied for you a Google Docs, a PDF, and just a plain text file in case some of you have had and come at us with, oh, it's not converting right, the text, or the numbers are creating slashes, things like that. So we want to give you guys alternatives to download it and then upload it into your theme. So I'm going to reference the Google Docs that we have for you. And so what you're going to want to do is go into your Shopify store, your theme, whatever that might be, because again, this works on all themes, and I have a clean Dawn 11 right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my edit code, and I'm going to close all of these out, and in my sections, I'm just going to create a new section, and I'm going to call this scrolling text. You can call this really anything else you want. That's just for you to, differentiate and identify what the section is, but you can call this anything, but I'm going to call it scrolling text. Next thing I'm going to do is once I purchase and get my download, I'm going to take this whole code right over here, and I'm going to copy this and leave this one alone. That's just the title of the section, and I'm going to go and paste this in. Now, asset saved, I am all set. So what I want to do is if you preview the store, you're not going to see anything because I haven't called in the theme editor for that scrolling text section. So as you can see, I'm pretty excited about this because there's a lot of cool features that you can do with this and create cool creative ideas for it. So right over here, I'm going to go into my customized theme. So right over here, to preview your changes, color themes must be identified in themes. All right, so that's, I guess, a new thing, a new indicator from Shopify. That's fine. So scrolling down here, I'm going to do add section, and I'm going to start typing in the SC because that's what I named it as. And you can see as a new preview, this is going to be the default, what it looks like. So it looks like the scrolling text is a bit fast. We do have scrolling speed option, which is like 30 all the way from 0 to 50. So I'll keep it at a good 41. You want to make sure that your customers can read this if you do have long text. So we have placeholder text right here. I'm just going to save this so I know what I'm doing. Right over here, we do have the image. This is going to be the section, and these are the blocks. So in the section, I have the global change for an image. If I do an image, I'm just going to choose, let's say, scrolling text like this, and then we can choose down here the colors as well for the text, like so. And then again for this. Now you want to make sure sometimes if you do have in here an image, and perfect example right now is kind of like hard to see because of the light gray background. Maybe if you are pretty creative, go into Photoshop and do it like a dark opacity so it can work that way, and then you can kind of see it. But I just wanted to give you, if you don't use that image, you can just remove the image, and then now because my text is white, set to white, I just go back into here and set it to black, like so. But going into here, this is just dummy data. We could have increased conversions, and then the next one can be super fast, free shipping. So as I go and in my scrolling text, click enter, it's gonna continue creating more and more for me. I'm gonna click save, And now I have scrolling text alignment options, left like this, center, and then also right. And then I have uppercase, lowercase, all cap, and also just auto, whatever I chose it. So I chose all caps, so it's picking that right now. Now on desktop only. Desktop only, we have the text option sizes, which you can play with, and that looks pretty cool. And then also for the scrolling text line height, so the spacing between each one. So we like to keep it nice, even. You can play around with the spacing as well. And then again, for not just desktop, we do have mobile options too. We like to give you pretty cool flexibility with that. So here you have the background option, and then you can do an invert and do white. So there's a lot of cool features and settings you could do. And also, again, this is a section, so you can have a section on a section, and you can have this on the right side and then on the left side, back and forth. There's a lot of cool things you could do with that. And speaking of that, the scrolling first would be this side scrolling first or this side scrolling first. If I want to do this side scrolling first, maybe I want to do this in the center, kind of like that. There's no limit to how many of these features that you list or benefits that you list for this. It will just repeat and fade in, as you can see. So you want to have more in mind for that. And then we have the padding top and bottom, which is the space within the element of it as well. And then we have the actual content here, down here, which is the center or the left alignment or the right alignment. And then also on mobile, it will look like this, where the text is on top, the call to action, and then the benefits right over here. When getting this section out in here, you have the scrolling text. Then right over here, this is the heading for it. You'll kind of see how this is pretty similar to how Dawn does it, but this will be the same for any other theme as well. And then you have small, medium, and large, and then the heading as well, again, if you choose so. Then this one is going to be the subtitle, and then the last is going to be the call to action button right here that you can change the color, and also the label and the link. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm just going to preview this again and just see. It actually looks pretty cool. I love it. I really hope that you guys love it too. It is going to be a paid snippet, but we hope that you do love it. If you have any feedback or if you have any questions, concerns, please email us at snippets@ecomgraduates.com, and someone will be able to assist you with that. If you do like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. We're always here for you. Thank you.